In front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs tool, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Changing font style on this HUAWEI is really easy if you know where to look. If you want to do it, you need to find Themes app that's already on your device, this one, and tap on it. Now you can select Featured at the bottom left corner and select Text Styles at the top, or click on Categories here and select Text Styles on the left. Now it's time to select one of those and buy it if you wish to, or select one of 3 options and click on the best one. Wherever you decided, after buying or downloading it thanks to the same button at the bottom, you need to choose Apply and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default font style, which is another common question, you need to access Themes again. And here is the most important part, select Me at the bottom right corner to access this downloaded section. By tapping on Text Styles, you will select your default font style in seconds, this one at the top, and bring it back by hitting Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!